Kurumjay, a very good afternoon. You are watching Afternoon English Bulletin on SKTV. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari. First, the headlines. Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla extends greetings to the people on the occasion of Durga Ashtami. And one-day workshop held on National Sports Governance Act 2025 and Manipur Sports Development Code 2024 at Olympic Bhavan. And now the top stories. Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla extended greetings and wishes on the occasion of Durga Ashtami. In his message, Governor Bhalla maintained that Durga Ashtami inspires us to draw strength from the Divine Mother and to uphold the values of courage, compassion and harmony in our lives. The Governor also appealed to work collectively for peace, prosperity and well-being in society as we celebrate Durga Ashtami while also seeking blessings for health, happiness and wisdom. One-day workshop on the National Sports Governance Act 2025 and Manipur Sports Development Code 2024 was held today at Olympic Bhavan located at Komal Lampak Sports Complex, Imphal. The workshop, organized by Manipur Olympic Association in short MOA, was graced by its president Sunil Elangbam, former vice president and retired IAS Bobby Waikom, former vice president and retired head of history department Manipur College S. Lokeshwar, Sports Movement Committee Manipur convener R.K. Ranendrajit and retired IAS Dr. R.K. Nimai as the main dignitaries. During the workshop moderated by R.K. Nimai, MOA Joint Secretary, and Ibungo Chobi, Physical Education and Sports Science, DM University, Professor R.K. Chandrakumar, National Sports University Imphal, Assistant Professor Dr. S. Pramananda, MS Visiting Faculty Dr. K. Kosana spoke on National Sports Governance Act 2025 and Manipur Sports Development Code 2024 as resource persons.
Manipuri or Sakanavidamaka, the Vidiva, expert Mayam, Element Mayam sing Sisu Tanaraga, Manipuri sports Sakanavada, Awat Pakara Ladiva, Queen Ujiriva, or Asida Ladivasi, Tang Hapsanba, Queen Apamaka Hapsanba, Natraga, Ningapaka, Yaurgasumadu, Topia, Brahidam, Sarkargi, Makeda, Kumayana, Kogi presentation number, Tauroga, Masikata, some Tokyo, Sikara Hapsan, Biu, High, Another Tarak Navidam Tangasi workshop, she, Tamata expert Mayam, invite of the level association, the representative. Mayam sing sio ko invite to jay de mo hoi apam be sing du taroga punna kan ma lomin raga aya ba ma khoi gi dang tap na bi dang ta madum ba yo ko na mu sarkar da hajaraga khoi gi kitang rectify to ya ba review to ya ba na sing du to bi na ba haje se haidana ngasi gi workshop si pangthok sa.
Speaker of Manipur Legislative Assembly, T.H. Satyabrata, has paid rich tribute to Lamlyamba Hijam Irawat on the occasion of his birth anniversary on September 30th. In his message, the Speaker described Irawat as a visionary leader, social reformer, poet and dramatist who dedicated his life to justice, equality and the upliftment of Manipur. He noted that Irawat's activisms and literary works inspire unity, courage and social consciousness among the people and that he dreamt of a Manipur where all communities will live with dignity, harmony and hope. The Speaker urged everyone to rise above divisions, strengthen bonds of brotherhood and work together for an inclusive future for all. In a major counterinsurgency operation, security forces recovered huge cache of arms and ammunition from Sangaithel along a Korean crossing under Patsoy police station in Imphal West district on Sunday. The recoveries included 4 single-barrel guns, 1 modified sniper rifle, 1 9mm pistol, 1 9mm pistol magazine, 2 .32 pistol magazines, 2 Insas rifle magazines, 37 rounds of .303 rifle ammunition, 68 SLR rounds, 15 rounds of 9mm ammunition, 6 7.62mm high-density cartridges, 4 SA-16mm single red cartridges, 3 sniper rifle ammunition, 3 BP plates, 3 number of 3.6 hand grenades, 3 detonators, 14 helmets, 2 Baofeng handsets, 3 camouflage t-shirts and 3 bags. In a separate search operation conducted the same day around 4:45 p.m., acting on credible intelligence about the presence of members of banned UG organization at Phaying-Ching Kuno village, teams of Special Commando Unit, 16 Assam rifles and 2x8 Gorkha rifles launched a coordinated search operation. Around 5:30 p.m., one suspected individual was detained for verification in the paddy fields of Phaying-Ching Kuno. The detainee was later identified as Angom Acho, alias Jin, alias Ibohal, aged 34 years, son of late Angom Khomei Singh of Phaying-Ching Makong. A single barrel gun without license, a Redmi Note 9 mobile phone with Zio SIM card and an Aadhaar card were seized from his possession. During preliminary interrogation, Angom Acho confessed to working under the command of Selstal Jit Singh, a commander of the banned outfit KCP City Meitei, and providing shelter to about 20 cadres of the group at his residence. He further revealed that he was a former member of RPF PLA with Army number 3164 and had undergone a basic military training at Kabuo Valley in Myanmar in 2008 under the command of PLA Captain Selstal Angou of Dairen Pokpi in Imphal West. The arrested individual and the seized items have been handed over to Lamsang Police Station for further legal actions. Security forces arrested 2 active cadres belonging to different proscribed outfits from separate locations in Imphal's East District. In the first operation, an active cadre of Pripak Red Army, identified as Ningthaujam Bidyasagar, alias Nanau, alias Yai Thoiba, aged 35 years, of Chanung Mayai Laikai, was apprehended from the vicinity of his residence under Sagolmang Police Station. The team seized 1 mobile phone, a sling bag and a wallet containing an Aadhaar card, along with a sum of 70 rupees from his possession. In a separate operation on the same day, security forces also nabbed an active cadre of KCP BWG, identified as Mohammad Alam Khan, alias Achoba, aged 34 years, of Khabaisoi Kongbamapan, from his residence located under Haingang Police Station. Both arrested individuals have been handed over to respective police stations for further legal actions and investigation. In another operation on the same day, security forces arrested an active cadre of KCP Maoist, Irembam Apollo Mite, alias Ibungo, aged 37 years, of Napitpali Mamanglekai in Imphal East District, from his residence under Lamlai Police Station. Thongju Block Congress Committee, under the aegis of social activist Seram Nekin, today organized a one-day free medical camp at Panthoibi Shanglen Community Hall at Kongba Khetrilekai and Uchikon Muriba Community Hall. During the medical camps organized in collaboration with CMO Imphal East and local clubs, treatment facilities for medicines, dermatology and ophthalmology, among others, were provided to locals, besides distributing medicines free of cost to those in need. Speaking on the sidelines, Nakin asserted that the medical camp was organized in view of the potential diseases that may spread in the localities after the recent floods. While expressing the local clubs and Red Cross Society Imphal East for lending support in the medical camps, Nakin decried the act of the irresponsible doctors who arrived almost 1 hour late from the scheduled time, despite taking permission from the CMO Imphal East for organizing the events. He also urged the CMO Imphal East to look into the matter.
The medical officer Imphal CMO Imphal Maikaidagi Moina order to Pirakanda sport Anisra, Dr. Singh Haraknava, who in a Puntara Makaidagi came to Hawaii and order to Pibini, CMO Imphal negligence high direct, and White Abanda, when Dr. C. Matamsana ꯌꯧꯍꯟꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇꯕ ꯄꯦꯁꯦꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯒ ꯉꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯂꯩꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔꯅ ꯌꯧꯔꯛꯇꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯏꯝꯐꯥꯜꯒꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯔꯦꯁꯄꯣꯟꯁꯤꯕꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯗꯥꯏꯇ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯊꯕꯛꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯗꯥꯏꯔꯦꯛꯇꯔꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯛꯅꯤꯡ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯤꯟꯖꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯣꯔꯗꯔ ꯊꯣꯛꯏꯕ ꯗꯣꯛꯇꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯃꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯆꯥꯅ ꯑꯦꯇꯦꯟ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯗꯗꯅ ꯚꯤꯂꯦꯖꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯨꯐꯥꯎꯗ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯗꯔꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯉꯥꯛꯄ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯅ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯁꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯆꯥꯎꯈꯠꯂꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯅꯣ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯁꯔꯟ ꯑꯣꯏ.
And now, before we move on to other news, let's take a short commercial break. We'll be right back. Keep watching SKTV News.
Malemgi thakta lamdam asigi leiriba art amasung culture bu ai isana oza guru sing kaya amadagi tamjaraktuna khitangda oirabasu mayamda uthokpa puthokchaba ngamjaba si ai yamna laibak phabani haina aina khanjai ai samak Benita Laishram Manipuri folk performer art amasung culture na lamdam amagi saktakpagum ai isana isagi saktakpagi maram ama oriba voting right pu matang matam chana sizinaba asi yamna phabra haina khanjai Lakliba October gitang ama faubada adomna chahi 19 mapung habiba thoklabadi voter list ming sungsoi soidana chansinbiu amasung citizen ama oibagi voting right lobiu manak nakba voter facilitation center da chatpiduna ming chansinbiu wood level officer electoral registration officer natraga district election officer ga unabiraga registration tobibasu yagani Voter Service Portal natraga Voter Helpline App sizinabiraga process asi tawbibasu yagani. I'm counted in, are you?
Welcome back. You're watching Afternoon English Bulletin on SKTV. Now proceeding with other news. ZEMI Students Organization of Manipur and the All Inpui Students Union have endorsed the Travel Youth Council Manipur's demands for the removal of paramilitary forces from the Travel Girls Hostel. In a separate press releases, ZSOM and AISU stated that the occupation of the hostel is a separation of the rights of travel stud students studying in Imphal. The two organizations have further highlighted the grievances faced by the travel students, stating that the paramilitary forces occupation has forced many travel students from remote areas to stay in rented houses in Imphal, burdening them with rent payments. They added that the parents of these students are struggling to support their children's education through paddy cultivation. Second Foundation Day celebration of Dr. Pratita Charitable Hospital and Research Institute was held today at its complex located at Khongjom in Thobal district. During the function, Dr. Pratita Memorial Awards 2025 were presented to Laboratory Technician Gina Ningombam, Staff Nurse Yaifabi Sagolshem and Manager Naurim Napoleon respectively, besides awarding a Dr. Pratita Meritorious Award 2025 to the meritorious students in the Class 12 examination conducted by COSM. Speaking on the sidelines, Managing Director of Dr. Pratita Charitable Hospital and Research Institute, Dr. Monica Moirangthem, informed that the hospital was established in the name of our late mother, Dr. Pratita, who died in a tragic road mishap on January 10, 2021, when she was serving as a professor in RIMS. Continuing that, the hospital became functional under Dr. Pratita Charitable Trust on September 29, 2023, marking the birthday of her mother. Dr. Monica expressed contentment on 2 years completion of the hospital's functioning today. She also said that the hospital has organized 16 free medical camps in various places, including relief camps.
Sing Marapam, Asana, Miata, Singu, Matingra Panjaba, Aduluga, language from Java Bijaba Sidani, First Siki, main Pandam, Idolator Balimati, Papa, Mayam, Gisabas, or the Siyam otherwise. But the hospital is a servicing OPD service, diagnostic center, physiotherapy, pharmacy, and medical Mushadi, reducing its service.
The AIFFD certificate course kicked off at Thurul Thurf Liwa Kulen Sarai in Chandal district today. The program was formally opened by President of DSA Chandal, Dr. T.S. Chamna Anal. The opening ceremony of the 6-day training course was presided by Assistant General Secretary DSA Chandal Belling Moyong, Vice Presidents of DSA Chandal H.L. Livingston Anal and T.H. Albert Chote. The course is being conducted under the guidance of AIFF coach educator Gyan Moyon and a total of 24 aspiring coaches from Nagaland, Meghalaya, Ukhrul, Senapati, Kamjong, Chandal, Tamenglong, Thoubal, Kakching, Technopal and None are taking part in the program. The course aims to enhance grassroots football coaching and develop skilled trainers to further promote the sport in the region. Members of Uttara Shanglen Sana Konung and locals conducted a cleanliness drive in and around Sana Konung since yesterday. The cleanliness drive was conducted under the aegis of MP Sanajauba Lesemba in view of the upcoming Kwak Tanba and Meraho Chonga festivals on October 2nd and 7th this year. A tree plantation drive was organized by a National Statistics Office Field Operations Division at Haybok Hill Eco Park in Angtabal today. The tree plantation program was organized to mark 75th year of National Sample Survey NSS. Deputy Director General ISS Dr. K.M. Singh and staffs of NSO FOD RO Imphal planted around 100 indigenous tree saplings during the tree plantation drive. The tree plantation program was conducted with the aim to promote greenery and to safeguard environment. Manipur State Badminton Association, in short MSBA, has condoled the demise of Chingsubam Binoy Singh of Segaro Takilambam Lekai. In the press release, MSBA stated that its members observed a 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the departed soul. It also extended solidarity to the bereaved family as well. Now moving on to national news. Leh town remained under curfew for the 6th consecutive day on Monday, with Lieutenant Governor Kavindra Gupta scheduled to chair a high-level meeting at Raj Bhavan to review the security situation. Officials said the overall situation remained peaceful, with no fresh incidents reported. Police and paramilitary forces continue to maintain strict vigil across sensitive areas. The meeting comes ahead of the last rites of 2 ex-servicemen who were among 4 persons killed during the September 24th violence. The other 2 victims were cremated on Sunday. Mobile internet services remained suspended in Leh, while prohibitory orders banning assembly of 5 or more persons are still in force across major parts of Ladakh, including Kargil. The curfew was first imposed on Wednesday following violent protests during a shutdown called by the Leh Apex Body LAB over demands for statehood and strict schedule status. More than 150 people, including 80 policemen, were injured in the clashes, and over 60 persons, among them 2 councillors and climate activist Sonam Wangchuk, have been detained. Wangchuk was booked under National Security Act and sifted to Jodhpur jail in Rajasthan. Authorities had relaxed curfew for 4 hours on Saturday and the period passed without incident. And now the sports news. Youth Club Kangla Tombi Bazaar Board and supporters gave rousing welcome to footballer Denny Wangkem, who was the captain of Victoria's Indian under-17 football team that was recently crowned the champion of South Asian Football Federation SAF Under-17 Football Championship held at Colombo, Sri Lanka. Denny Wangkem, who hails from Kangla Tombi, was warmly received upon his arrival at Kendrijit International Airport today. Speaking on the sideline, Denny Wangkem expressed happiness on representing India as a captain and on winning the SAF Under-17 Championship. He also expressed hope to perform well in Under-19 SAF Championship.
September 15 agi tawjareba SAF tournament si akoina nikok thong na sanajari be mayam support gi amadi apai dum sanabangam boys agi mathang lakwa 19 gi reju sanabangam boys agi
While the president of Youth Club Kangla Tombi Bazaar Board, Warepam Santa, expressed pride on the achievement of Indian team, which was led by Denny Wankem as team captain. He said the player from Manipur brought laurel for the country and the state. Warepam Santa also urged relevant authority to give more support to football and in enhancing the infrastructure.
Manipur to be done now the power yard of Honda, Mina, Yagioina, no Imalabang Manipur, like Gayoina, Michel, you Gayo in a D, Panapamse, Luxury, Adobo, Hoyanoiza, they could like Yamatam, the ground lake of announcing Chanabadi, Amtokba, the Panapam ground lake of Ado Maromoga, and I don't say, Hoy Manipur, Langaka, Galega, announcing Panapam, Hawaii, Panapam number Moraga, Panapam like the Moraga, Yawabasi, Manipuragana, Joanna Club.
And in Asia Cup cricket, India defeated Pakistan by 5 wickets to become the champion of Asia Cup 2025 in Dubai. In the final match that was played at Dubai International Stadium last night, India won the toss and put Pakistan to bat first. Pakistan started off well with Shahbazad Farhan and Fakhar Zaman giving an opening stand of 84 runs, but things go crashing down for Pakistan thereafter, and they were bowled out for just 146 runs in 19.1 overs. Spinner Kuldeep Yadav was the pick of the bowlers for India as he picked up 4 wickets for 30 runs in his 4 overs. In reply, India lost its star opening batter Abhishek Sharma early on, and the skipper Surya Kumar Yadav, who came in to bat at number 3, also followed soon. It was then up to Verma and opener Gill to steady the ship for India, but the Gill departed 9 balls later to Ashraf. Wicketkeeper Sanju Samson achieved with an innings of 24 of 21 balls before falling to leg spin bowler Abrar Ahmed. New batter Shivam Dube, who had earlier taken on the responsibility of opening the bowling for India in the absence of Hardik Pandya, played a supporting role to Verma's innings. Verma made Pakistan pay as he and Dube took India on the verge of victory, only for Dube to fold with 6 balls and 9 runs left. Rinku Singh, who replaced Pandya in the final, faced 1 ball and hit the winning runs off to spark celebrations in the Indian camp. On the other hand, the final match between India and Pakistan was marred by controversy as the Indian team refused to accept Asia Cup Winners' Trophy from Pakistan Minister and ACC head Mohsin Naqvi. And before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla extends greetings to the people of Manipur on the occasion of Durga Ashtami. And a one-day workshop held on National Sports Governance Act 2025 and the Manipur Sports Development Code 2024 at Olympic Bhavan. Well, that's all we have in this afternoon bulletin. Thank you for watching SKTV News and keep watching for more news updates. Till then, have a great evening.